These hidden iPhone features will completely change your experience. Built-in sleep sounds. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Then long press to enter edit mode. Tap add a control at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down until you find the ambient music section. You'll see 4 options here: sleep, chill, productivity, and well-being. They all work the same way, but for this example, select sleep, and it will be added to your control center. But before you exit edit mode, tap and hold the sleep control to customize it. Tap sleep sounds to choose the playlist you want to use. You can select one of the available options or choose music from your own library. For this example, I'll keep it set to lo-fi snooze. Once you've made your selection, exit the menu and finish editing Control Center. Now, whenever you're ready to sleep, simply tap the sleep control. Your relaxing music will start playing immediately. You can also use AirPlay to play the sounds through a compatible speaker or headphones. It's a simple built-in feature for creating a more relaxing environment before bed. Easy way to convert currencies. You probably already know that Spotlight Search can quickly convert foreign currencies on your iPhone. Simply type an amount, and your iPhone will automatically show the converted value. But for multiple conversions, there's an even easier built-in option. It lets you compare and convert different currencies much faster. Here's how to use it. First, open the Calculator app on your device. Tap the calculator icon in the top right corner. Choose Convert. Tap either unit above the numbers and select Currency. Choose the 2 currencies you want to convert between. Enter the amount you want to convert. The converted value will appear instantly below. You can also convert other units like angle, area, data, energy, force, and more. The calculator uses updated exchange rate information for the conversion. Enter your amount in the top field. The converted value will instantly appear below. Tap the up and down arrows to quickly swap between the 2 currencies. It's much faster and easier for multiple conversions. Deal with notifications. Managing notifications properly can improve both your focus and battery life. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Select Scheduled Summary. Turn Scheduled Summary on. If you're setting it up for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions. Choose when you want your notification summaries to arrive. For example, you could schedule them for 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Tap Turn on Notification Summary to continue. Turn on the apps whose notifications don't need your immediate attention. This keeps less important notifications organized while making sure you don't miss anything urgent. Change podcast settings by show. Open the Podcasts app on your iPhone. Start playing an episode from the podcast you want to customize. Tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of the episode page. Select Go to Show. This will take you directly to the main page for that podcast. From here, you can customize settings specifically for that show. Siri countdown timer. Let's say you're working on something that needs to be finished by 5 p.m. Instead of calculating how much time you have left, let Siri do it for you. Simply enable Siri and say, set a timer to finish at 5 o'clock in the evening. You'd obviously change the end time to whatever applies to you. Siri will automatically calculate the remaining time and start the timer. You'll then have a clear countdown showing exactly how much time is left. This is a simple way to stay focused and keep track of important deadlines. Stop your camera from defaulting. Tired of changing the same camera settings every time you open the app? Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Camera. Look for the option Preserve Settings and click on it. Here, you can choose which camera settings your iPhone remembers instead of resetting them each time. On my iPhone 17 Pro, I've enabled camera mode, photographic style, creative controls, depth control, and macro mode. I've left exposure adjustment and night mode turned off. I've enabled portrait zoom, but left action mode off. I've also enabled Pro RAW and resolution control in live photo. These settings will be fixed and used for next time. Once enabled, your iPhone will remember your last used settings the next time you open the camera app. This saves you from setting up your camera preferences every time. Create a Wi-Fi QR code. Want to share your Wi-Fi without manually giving someone the password? Your iPhone makes this easy using the Passwords app. Open the Passwords app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi from the main screen. Find and select the Wi-Fi network you want to share. Tap Show Network QR code. Your iPhone will instantly generate a QR code for that network. Ask your guest to scan the QR code using their phone's camera. A prompt will appear on their device asking them to join the Wi-Fi network. Tap Connect or Join, and they're in. It's a quick and convenient way to share Wi-Fi, especially with non-Apple devices. And that's it.